To reset your Lumin account password, head over to the Lumin sign-in page and then click Forgot Password. Enter your email address and select Reset My Password. An email will be then sent to you to change your password. Follow the link in the email to be taken to the page where you can change your password. Once your password is changed, you can log out of all devices or stay logged in. If you've created your Lumin account via Google or Dropbox, you cannot reset your password via Lumin, which means your password is the same as your Gmail or Dropbox account.